Wow, the boardwalk feels a little flimsy here. I know the Coney Island, it's been a while, but I remember the Coney Island Boardwalk is a little flimsy in some places. Like right here, you see the boards are moving. It's a little weird. But yeah, that's what it is. That's how it is. All right, let's come up to the boardwalk. All right. Super awesome.
I don't mind.
All right. Got some music going on. Alrighty. Yeah, it's really cool out here. It's a little bit of a Jersey Shore feel, but it's a city vibe, of course. Let's take a peek at the beach right now. If I remember correctly, it's free to get on the beach, which is really cool. Compared to Jersey, you can't. And from what I know, that's Jersey across the way there. You can see here from there and there from here, of course. It's very lively here right now, a lot of people. All right, we're just gonna step on the beach so I can say I was on the beach. All right, we can say we were on the beach. I don't think I'm gonna do a beach walk today. Did a couple beach walks this summer so far, but we got here a little late because I was busy rocking videos today in Chinatown. A lot of video there. So we're here now. Let's go. Brooklyn, Chinatown. So yeah, they got a bunch of rides here. They got the Wonder Wheel and all of these different amusement park rides. A lot of big rides over here. They got like a water slide, a water ride kind of thing right here. Water slide.
Hey guys!
Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Here we go, here we go. Rocking out, rocking out. Rocking out. Got some salsa dancing. Salsa going on. Alrighty, alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go! Party time, Coney Island. Coney Island party time. In his house. Alright, let's take a walk down the pier. Yeah, let's go check this out. They have a lot of parties on this thing too. I remember last time this whole thing was a party.
Mucho mota, mucho mota, mucho mota.
Alrighty. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Nice spot. Nice spot today. Coney Island, bro. Nice spot. Nice spot today, Coney Island. Let's go. All right. Let's get some beach views.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Wow, the water looks so nice right now. Wow. The way the light is hitting it, amazing. Over here, it's Jersey. I'm pretty sure that's Jersey. Let me get past this umbrella. Check that out. Wow. Really cool, really cool. Really awesome. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Alrighty, we got some music. I got a jib jab over the music, of course. Of course, the place is like a party. All right, we got people getting down over here. Rocking out, rocking out. Rocking out, everybody's rocking out. We got a DJ, wow. I guess they got, how to get power here? I guess they bring something. Might be some kind of power here, I don't know. Wow, pretty wild, pretty awesome. Rocking out. Really cool, really cool. Nice, awesome. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotta watch where you're stepping here, wow. Whoa. Pretty cool. Brings me back to my DJ days. I still got all the equipment. I might get back into it, I don't know. Anyway, that's a whole side thing. But yeah, it's really rocking out here. Wow, you really got to watch the floor, the boards. It's easy to trip. There's stuff sticking out here and there. I don't know, something. There was some kind of something. I just almost tripped on it. You got to watch. All right. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah, we're pretty far out here in the water on the barge. Pretty amazing if they built something like this across like the whole ocean. Imagine that. Wow. Can walk across the ocean, drive across the ocean. That would be insane, right? That would be crazy. You never know. That would be wild. So yeah, we're gonna walk a little bit more towards the edge, towards the end. Let's just walk to the end and come back. All right, so we're at the end of the barge. Pretty awesome. It's pretty wild when you come out here. It's pretty far out. It's pretty crazy.